You may be familiar with a recent self-defense case out of Detroit. What happened in that situation took place at a tailgate. And basically what happened is that the man who was using self-defense ended up shooting an aggressor. The bullet goes through the aggressor and ends up hitting an innocent third party.
Everybody is talking about this story. Now, it began when a Lions tailgate turned into the scene of a tragedy on Sunday afternoon. A man walked into the middle of an argument, pointing a gun, and he was shot. One bullet went through his head and then hit a bystander. Both men died.
Now, this whole incident was on video, and the prosecutors in this case reviewed the video, and they decided not to file charges against the man because they believed he acted in lawful self-defense.
And now we're seeing video for the first time that shows one of the victims, 25-year-old Jalen Welch, walking into the frame with a gun just moments before he was fatally shot. 40-year-old Rayshawn Palmer, who was also killed, was just an innocent bystander trying to intervene.
But would the same thing have happened in Kansas? Would the prosecutors in Kansas have reached the same decision? Well, my first answer is it depends. The prosecutors have complete discretion. It's 100% up to them whether or not they are going to charge someone.
It was only his intent to protect himself from the immediate and absolute danger from the individual that was wielding a gun in front of him and someone that's very close to him.
They could have chose in Kansas to charge the man in this case. Not charge him with the first person who got shot, the aggressor, but charge him for the innocent bystander, for the third party that ended up getting hit with the bullet. And the reason for that is because in Kansas, that third party getting hit would have been considered a reckless crime. And in Kansas, self-defense is not available for a reckless crime. So while he may have been justified in shooting the first person, it was reckless to hit the second, and he could have been on the hook if the prosecutor chose to charge him with some sort of reckless crime in Kansas.